Hi, I'm Pastor David Kaufman, class of 97. I am the campus pastor here at Newberry College. It is my joy to introduce you to Scar, our star of the show. Follow me as we find out what Scar is up to today.
Welcome to Newberry!
In this day and age, most of the students are Christian and come from all denominations. But not all students are active in their faith or even people of faith. The faculty and staff give students the opportunity to discover, learn, and put into practice those tenets that are important to them as they grow. You can see students throughout campus studying, practicing, laughing, on their phones, and even reading and studying Scripture. The Lutheran liberal arts tradition reminds us to make a place of welcome for all people, and Newberry College lives into that daily. From the prayer of the day we use in chapel reminds us to be open and receptive to the divine flow of life, love, and possibilities. The Wolves Pantry has been a huge success in fighting food insecurity on our campus. Imagine a student wakes up late, goes back to sleep over the lunch hour, ends up having a late practice. A student might not get something to eat with our dining opportunities on campus. Grocery stores a mile away, and not all students have cars or the extra cash in their account for the incidentals. The Wolves Pantry provides food, snacks, drinks, toiletries, and school supplies that have been donated by grants, congregational, Lutheran Men in Mission, and ELCA groups, and individual donations of food and money. Following the death of Dr. Mike Beggs, professor of religion, local Lutheran pastors stepped up to help Scar, and the students learned their biblical heritage. Whether it is sitting in the library, on the quad, at practice, on the field of competition, in the classroom, our Wolves are learning and growing, and even having fun in campus ministry. Our students see and learn the value of taking care of each other. Students, faculty, and staff continue to support our Wolves Pantry and continue to learn and live out our mission statement as a college. Newberry College, founded in 1856 by the South Carolina Lutheran Synod, continues to prepare students in the Lutheran liberal arts tradition through our supportive academic community for lifelong intellectual and personal development, meaningful vocation, and engaged citizenship in the global society. We are faithful stewards of what God has given us. 1 Peter 4:10 says, "Like good stewards of the manifold grace of God, serve one another with whatever gift each of you has received." Newberry College is grateful for Bishop Abisher, Bishop Strickland, and Bishop Suarez of the Region 9, and the continued work shared as an institution of your work in the church. With this, we give God thanks and praise. We encourage and invite you to give toward your college. Help us to continue to reach, teach, succeed boldly, and give boldly to your Newberry College.
On behalf of SCAR, Dr. Sheerans, the staff and faculty, and all of the students at Newberry College, thank you for your love and your loyalty. Come and see us. Go Wolves.